Hello everyone, thank you for joining. We're going to be covering practice sets on GoodNotes. So if you have a district issued iPad, you have access to GoodNotes. Here is what the app looks like. If you haven't used GoodNotes before and you don't know where it is, you can just swipe down on your screen and type good, and then GoodNotes will pop up. So here we go. You would click on new, and you would go ahead and hit study set. So under study set, you have the option to create your title. So we're going to just go test, create, and then you have the option here to create different types of study sets, right, or practice sets. So you have the text option, the image option, the annotate option. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick with text right here. I'm going to type, we're going to make this very simple, 2 plus 2. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to type 4. So I'm going to reuse this same exact problem a few times, showing you each one. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe to the right with one finger. And when I swipe to the right with one finger, you see that release to add card. That's going to show up. So I'm going to go over here to the annotation tool, tap to edit. I'm going to go 2 plus 2 equals, I'm going to hit done on that. Once again, I'm going to swipe down. I'm going to go to the annotate tool, tap to edit, 4. Done. Once again, swipe to the right. There we go. I'm going to use an image now. Tap to add image. I don't have a 2 plus 2 picture, but I'm going to just use whatever photo I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and use, let's say, this right here, the states. I'm going to come here, and I'm going to just put text. I'm going to put sample text. Okay, so let's say I'm happy with that. I have 4 cards, or 3 cards rather. So right here you see the text, the annotation, the image, right? Right here next to the editing option, I have this option to go into pretty much presentation mode. So I have the practice set and I have the smart learn. So on the practice set here, the difference between the two of them is that I'm going to click that's okay. Once you go through the slides, that's pretty much the end of it. So 2 plus 2, you ask the class if they say 4, you turn it around, it was correct. You just move it to the side. So when I move it to the side, you'll see that there is no correct or incorrect option there, right? So we have this image, turn it around, so on and so forth, right? Cool, so that's done. If I go and I put this onto the smart learn, let's say 2 plus 2, and the class says, let's say 5. I turn this around. If it's incorrect, I'm going to move it over here to still learning. And it's going to replace it within the set of cards, right? So right here, let's say they get it correct. I'm going to put I knew it. Once again, let's say they know it. Let's say they finally get it correct. Now you're officially done with this set. So as we're getting into testing period, or we're getting to testing time, this could be a good way to have your students do entry tickets or exit tickets, and get everyone kind of collectively involved, check for understanding. So it's a good way to kind of just use flashcards within your classroom to hopefully help students target those key things that they need to know, whether it be definitions, whether it be quick little problems, ideas, concepts, whatever the case is. This could be very useful and helpful for your kids to kind of just get that quick check for understanding. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask any CRT. And if you want more information on GoodNotes, please let us know. Thank you, and hopefully you enjoyed the video.